In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall OneNote from your Windows computer step by step. If you no longer use OneNote or you simply want to free up space and remove unused apps from your system, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. The good news is that uninstalling OneNote is very simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Windows Settings app. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut instantly opens the Settings window. Once Settings is open, look for the Apps section and click on it. This area allows you to manage all the applications installed on your computer. Next, click on Installed Apps. On some older versions of Windows, this option may be called Apps and Features, but the steps are basically the same. You will now see a complete list of applications installed on your PC. Depending on how many apps you have, this list can be pretty long. So instead of scrolling through everything manually, use the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the search box and type Microsoft OneNote. As you type, Windows will automatically filter the list and display matching apps. Once Microsoft OneNote appears, locate the three dots beside the app name and click on them. A small menu will open with several options. Click on Uninstall. Windows may ask for confirmation before continuing. If you see a pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. After that, another confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall OneNote and remove its related information. Click Uninstall again to continue. Windows will now begin removing OneNote from your computer. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few seconds to complete. Once the process finishes, OneNote will no longer appear in your installed apps list. If you ever decide you want to use OneNote again in the future, you can always reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or from the official Microsoft website. Now let's do a quick recap. First, open Settings using Windows plus I. Second, go to Apps and then Installed Apps. Third, search for Microsoft OneNote. Fourth, click the three dots next to the app and choose Uninstall. And finally, confirm the uninstall process to remove OneNote from your computer. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled OneNote from your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.